Okay, you're welcome to Crypto Danny. Want to activate our 1 million, want to collect our 1 million hamster combat coin through or by means of the daily Morse code or the daily cipher. And today's Morse code is SATOSHI. SATOSHI, Satoshi. So let's activate it to collect our 1 million hamster combat. So X is dot dot dot, A is dot and hold, T is hold once, then O is hold 3 times, 1 2 3, then S is the same dot dot dot, 1 2 3, then H is 4 times dot, 1 2 3 4, then I is 2 times dot, 1 2. So that's it. Follow me for more. Thank you.